Step 1. You open your document, click on File, next on Save As, select your location, then you choose the file type. So today we are going to choose PDF. Now you give your file a name. Once you are done, you can make changes to the file type, but for today we are going to maintain as Save As PDF. Next, you can have options on opening the file after publishing or not. I'll choose mine as Open File. So once my PDF has been opened and created, so I don't need to edit this document anymore. So I will click on Don't Save when I'm done. Or you can